Welcome back, folks. It's Monday and it's time for a garden update. And we're gonna talk about the elephant in the room. But before we get to the garden, we're gonna prep our wicking bucket. Let's get to it. Now this is just a sponge that I cut into 2 pieces, and we're just gonna set it down into the neck of this 5-gallon water bottle. We're gonna fill up the neck with some cocoa peat. And once that's done, we're gonna take some of this Fox Farm. I know everybody said not to use potting soil, but that's all I got. So that's what we're gonna use. And it looks just like potting mix. Smells like potting mix, even tastes like potting mix. So in it goes. Making sure I break up all the clumps and give it a spritz of water every 3 to 4 inches of soil that I add. Just to ensure to keep it moist as I wait for my baby radishes to get bigger. Now let's take a look at the garden, shall we? It's January 12th, 44 degrees outside, almost 76 degrees inside. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. These are giant leaf noble spinach, and they struggled the whole time. You can see they got major leaf curl. And I figured the lights was too strong and they're trying to shield themselves. It's either a pH problem, a lighting problem, nutrient problem, or a combination. We'll revisit this noble spinach at a later date and try and figure out what happened. And by no means are these going to waste. These are still going to make a great stir fry or addition to a salad. I would love to hear in the comments what you think caused this problem. As you can see, the water spinach loved it. No effect on the water spinach. Well, if you enjoyed that video, please watch another one. And don't worry, it's free. Thanks for watching.